In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to look up sold comparisons or sold comps on eBay. It's helpful to know this to value your items when you're trying to sell them, whether that's on the eBay platform, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Poshmark, or just selling them at a garage sale. It helps to know how much the item you have generally sells for. So to do this, for this example, I'm going to type in the Little House on the Prairie book set. And if you scroll down, you can just see what people are listing the item for. Depending on the types of books you have, it ranges anywhere from about $15 to even $45. So we want to know how much the books we have to sell have sold for in the past. So we're going to go to the top right and click on filter. And maybe our books will want the condition. We'll click on this, and more than likely you're selling used books, but maybe they're in very good condition. And then we're going to scroll down farther, click on show more, scroll down until you find the sold items. And you're going to click that on. It will automatically also select the completed items. And so once those are selected, you can see that there are 156 results showing. So click on that, show results. So this is showing what these books actually sold for, so you can find the set that you have in your home and get an idea of what to price that set of books for, or whatever the other items you have that you're trying to sell or price, so you can get an idea of how much they sell for on eBay. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and follow along with my channel, and I will catch you in my next video.